Hello beautiful people, if you are seeing this video, that means you are seeing the first video on this channel. Okay guys, you're welcome to my channel. This is going to be like an introduction video so you can know what this channel is all about and who this person is. Yes, this is my first video on this channel, but not my first time on YouTube. Yes, I have other channel where I teach how to make skincare formulation, natural skincare formulation from scratch. So that page, that channel is just like a lecture room where you get to learn how to make skincare products like a pro, either for your own personal use or for commercial purpose. So if you want to learn how to make skincare products, just visit that channel. You're going to learn everything from scratch because I make it a step-by-step video from the scratch, everything you need to know. So you need to visit that channel at Shades Natural Skin Glow to connect with me there. There's a lot of reasons why I have to create another channel. Number one reason, because I have a lot to share. And having one channel is like limiting me to share them. You just have to key in with one niche so you won't be convincing YouTube algorithm. That's one of the reasons why I'm in this channel. And another reason is because I've made a lot of mistakes on that channel, a whole lot, and I'm even having one strike. I'm having one strike on that channel. I just think it's best for me to have another channel to be able to correct those mistakes. And if you are there like me, if you're a YouTuber, growing YouTuber like me, and you want to grow, you want to attain that monetization, I would advise you should have another account. It's another way out. Apart from being monetized, you'll be able to, you know a lot of mistakes you made on that channel. You can easily grow up from other channel. It's a call to action for you to open your own another channel. It doesn't matter where you are on that channel, whether you're monetized or not, just do it. Okay guys, so let me quickly introduce myself to you. My name is Fola Shade Babatola. You can call me Fola. I'm a Yoruba girl, right from Ekiti, Ado Ekiti. So Ekiti people, if you are watching this video right now, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know you're from my hometown. Yeah. Okay, so you're all welcome to my channel. I love you all. Thank you for clicking on my video. Yes, that means you so much have interest in me to click on my video and to watch to this level. Thank you so much. Yes, so I studied accounting from the Federal Polytechnic Ado Ekiti. I studied accounting, and I also have a diploma in skincare formulation. And I have a skincare brand. Yes, I have a skincare brand where I sell my skincare product. You can search me on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok, Shades Natural Skin Glow. On Instagram, Shades_Natural Skin Glow. On Facebook, Shades Natural Skin Glow, Chase Natural Skincare. I have a few pages on Facebook, so it's but the latest one I'm using is Chase Natural Skincare. So guys, you can just connect with me there, and all my other channel, Shades Natural Skin Glow. If you want to learn professionally, just connect to there. Yes, on this channel, it's still going to be a skincare. It's going to be a skincare, but it's going to be more fun. Like I'm a lecturer on that channel. But here it's going to be fun. It's going to be relaxing. Life is not so hard, So it's going to be relaxing. We're going to be learning skincare recipes, healthy skincare recipes that you can use for yourself. And you can even sell out if you so wish. So we're going to be learning a lot of things, and it's going to be we're also going to be diving into lifestyle and vlog, like my personal life behind scenes. So it's not going to be like professional channel like my other channel. That channel is a professional channel. Just go there and see. You see what I'm talking about. Here it's going to be more fun, more relaxing, and more, you're going to be learning a lot. So don't miss out. Join this beautiful family right now by subscribing to my channel. Click the notification bell, and also share, like, comment. I want to see your comments. If you're watching right now, I want to see your comment. Either you're a YouTuber here, or you are here for skincare, or you are here for other things. You just don't know. You're solving around. You want to get to know a lot of things. I can assure you that you are going to be learning a lot of things on this channel. So comment down below. Let me know your thought. Do you feel that I can teach you something? Then comment it down below. And you want recipes for a particular skin issue, just comment it down below. That's where we're going to start. Yes, if you want a recipe for a particular skin issue, comment it down below and I'm going to do video on it. That's how we grow our community. Okay, just comment it down below so that I can start working on it, and then I will bring it out, boom, for you to watch. All right guys, so thank you for connecting, thank you for joining my video. So the next video, be expecting it's gonna be educative and fun, and let me not talk too much. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you so much. See you. Be safe. Bye.